My name is Derek.
My name is Preet.
And this nigga's about to solve a Rubik's Cube.
As you see, yellow, red, white, orange,
blue,
red, green. It's solved. Derek, can you please mix it up for the fans out there, please?
Hold the stopwatch.
Stop that.
How fast you think you can do that, Preet?
I say about probably a minute 30 or something.
Minute 30.
If I'm good, I can do it a minute 30. Probably 2 minutes.
If you're bad, how was
bad? Probably about 2 minutes.
Bad 2 minutes.
Yes.
Okay. As you can see, folks, I did a pretty good job of mixing it up. Oh, it's not good enough. Now, that's better.
Derek, can you hold the stopwatch and the camera? Everybody,
you're about to watch
a master at work.
You are watching a master at work.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Time.
151, nigga. Hold on, nigga. Walk it out, nigga. Fuck that.
What's wrong with you?